Practice makes the home spacious. Mom says she finally sees the light. 10th place. You must have a non-drilling tissue box holder next to the coffee table, within reach to place near the sink after washing your hands, making it convenient to use. 9th place. Doesn't our TV stand look tidy now, thanks to this storage box? The bottom layer can hold power strips and various plugs. The middle layer can hold set-top boxes and the like. Without affecting the wiring, the top layer can hold the router. 8th place. No wonder I couldn't find my neighbor's spice bottles. They were using this rotating spice rack. It has a large capacity and can hold various types of spice bottles. 7th place. It took me a long time to finally find a high-quality and useful mask storage box. It can seal and cover multiple masks, keeping them free from dust and moisture, clean and hygienic. 6th place. I only discovered these cute soap holders after watching TV. They're better than placing soap directly on the countertop, which can easily get wet. This holder doesn't take up countertop space, and both adults and children's soap can be placed separately. Our dishwashing liquid used to be stacked next to the sink, but it was always inconvenient when cleaning. This is very convenient, as it has a buckle that can adjust its size and won't fall off when pressed. The bottom won't accumulate dirt. No more stacking on the floor. 4th place. This thing is called a non-drilling adhesive. If you don't want to drill holes when renovating your house, you can stick it on the wall. Not only can it hang some decorative paintings, but you can also hang bathroom shelves without drilling holes. 3rd place. The garbage can in the bathroom must be hung up so that the bottom of the can doesn't breed bacteria, and it's convenient for cleaning. With a lid, used tissues won't produce any odor. 2nd place. It's cumbersome to hold the shower head while washing your hair at home, but this is very convenient. You don't need to drill holes, and the shower head can be easily adjusted at any angle. It's easy to install, sticks firmly. 1st place. We have too many things in the house to use, and there is no place to put them. Quickly arrange a small card storage rack and just attach the wheels when it arrives. It can hold some kitchen utensils or fruits and vegetables in the kitchen, and can also be placed next to the sofa as a snack cart. When not in use, it can be folded up. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.